Welcome back to Flow Fanatic. Today we're going to be walking through the solution to yesterday's challenge, performing a field update on the opportunity using flows. But before we get started, a quick reminder to sign up for the daily challenges in the below. Plus, a quick shout out to the winners of yesterday's challenges. We have Mahan Raj, who won the Salesforce challenge, and then a big shout out to John Fox for sharing the post and getting the most likes. Let's go ahead and jump into the solution from yesterday's challenge. I'm going to come into Salesforce. I'm going to click on the gear icon. I'm going to click Setup. I'm going to come into Quick Find and type in Flow. I'll select Flows. I'm going to click on New Flow. I'm going to go ahead and click on Record Triggered Flow. I'll select Next, Auto Layout. All right, first step. I want to specify what type of flow this is, a before save or an after save, and then whether or not this trigger is going to run on creation, update, create, end update, or just delete. In our case, we want this to fire on create, end update. And then here's bonus number 2 is selecting the optimal type of flow to run. So before save flows are way more performant. And when we're performing simple updates, like a field update, we can do so through a before save. So we're going to go ahead and select before the record is saved. We're going to click done. Now we want to choose the object. Well, this is going to fire when an opportunity is marked as closed won, and only when the record is created. So we'll go ahead and click on opportunity. We'll go ahead and handle that first piece of criteria, which is when the stage name is equal to closed won. And then our second piece in our second hack, which was related to the first bonus, is only firing on creation, even though a second ago we chose this flow to fire on both create or update. So the flow will still be a on create or update record triggered flow. But in this criteria, we're going to say only fire this record triggered flow when the opportunity is new. And the way we're going to do that is with a hack. So right now we don't have access to the isNew operator. Well, what we know about before save record triggered flows is the record hasn't been saved to the database yet, meaning it doesn't have an ID. So we can come in here and select opportunity ID is null, true. So what this says is when we go ahead and we save an opportunity, if it doesn't have an ID, and it's marked as closed won, then we are going to move forward. So I'm going to go ahead and click done and click on the plus button. And all we're going to do is make a simple assignment. So we're going to come in, select the assignment element. We're going to say assign description. And for the description, we can do assign description to opportunity on creation. We'll go here. So we'll go ahead and select the opportunity record, the description fields. We're going to set it equal to, are you sure you want to be marking an opportunity as closed won on creation? Go ahead and click done. And because this is before save record triggered flow, we don't need the update element. So that's it. We're going to go ahead and click on save. My naming convention is the name of the object, opportunity, whether or not is it before save or after save. So before save, on create or edit, record triggered. I'm going to go ahead and click activate. Just to confirm this works, I'm going to come back into Salesforce. I'm going to pull up the sales app. Click on opportunity, new opportunity, a name of test, an amount of 100, a close date of today, stage of closed won. I'm going to go ahead and click save. Come into my details tab and scroll down. Description was automatically populated for us. And that's all for the solution to yesterday's challenge. I'll be posting today's challenge in just a few minutes.